So let's talk about the student content that works well in Google Classroom. We have the animated video lessons. We have the virtual field trips, Text Passage Plus student pages, the Skill Power Plus PowerPoints with the teacher narrator, the interactive student pages, the Skill Power Plus bundles. This is a combination of the PowerPoints with teacher narration along with the interactive pages in one resource, and the student reference pages. You're going to assign multiple resources together, so the animated video lesson may come along with the interactive student pages for the students to complete the assignment. The virtual field trips may also include the Text Passage Plus student pages, and you'll want to assign the reference sheets that go along with the student assignments. So the first thing we want to do is take a look at assigning a single resource to your Google Classroom. We have here student activity pages. These pages come in two formats. We have the standard PDF format, which can be downloaded and printed, and now we have the interactive student pages that are completed online through your digital classroom. So to assign a single item, simply just click on the title. It opens the assignment. We can take a look at what the students will be working on. And to bring it to Google Classroom, we simply just click Assign Resource, locate our classroom, and then assign. Let's go into Google Classroom and see what that looks like. Here is our assignment. If I want to look at the assignment again, I can go right up into Instructions, the title, and then click the link. I'm in Teacher View. I can toggle the student view and again see what the students are doing. And then I can assign this to my students. Now, once the students begin the assignment and submit their work, I can come back into the assignment to locate any of the work that the students have done. So let's take a look at how we assign multiple resources to our Google Classroom from one lesson. So on this lesson, Strategic Reading, Organization Text Conventions, I see we have a virtual field trip, Text Passage Plus, interactive student pages, and then our standard PDF pages. We have the student pages and also the teacher pages. So let's say I want to have my students watch the virtual field trip on eggs and then complete the assignment with the interactive student pages. For each item I want to assign, I need to open that item and assign directly. And assign to my classroom. Go back to our content page, open the interactive student pages, and assign to the classroom. So let's take a look at how that'll show up in Google Classroom. Here are the two items, You Be the Editor and Virtual Field Trips on the Eggs. They come in as separate items, so I will need to assign both items individually to my students. If I want to see what the assignment looks like in Google Classroom, I will open the instructions. Here is You Be the Editor, the interactive student pages. Click on the link. Here is the assignment. For the virtual field trips and any other video, this is what the students will see.
Eggs.
So that's a look at assigning student content to your Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@empoweringwriters.com.